back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy challenge, where we take our Ipsy bags and pit them against each other to see who has the better Ipsy bag. And you can comment down in the comments who you think has the better Ipsy bag.
Two bags entered, one bag leaves.
This is the August 2022 glam bag from Ipsy. And yeah, this is what it looks like.
I like this bag, it's very satin.
It does feel very satiny, and it has a cute little zipper pull right there.
The golden leaf.
It's very cute. I like this month. And then you open it, and it looks like that inside, kind of orangey color. You get 5 sample size, deluxe size products in your bag, and you get to choose one of them. How we play is that we take each item and put them against each other.
Using a very complicated system of rules.
Yeah, and we just see which one wins. Usually, makeup wins against skincare, and skincare,
we don't know.
We just take it as it comes.
We just kind of figure it out as we go along.
First of all, we take the item that we picked for the month, which we didn't even talk about this beforehand. We haven't even gone over each other's bags until we sat here and poured them out in front of each other. Right. And we realized we picked the same item this month. And
this thing?
Yeah, didn't you pick that, or did you pick that?
I don't know.
It doesn't say on your card.
Yeah.
Well, it could be that he just got the same thing. But this is what I picked. A little headband for when you're doing your makeup and the skincare. Does your fit? Why'd you pick it?
I don't know. I don't remember what the other choices
I do a lot of skincare and stuff. You usually pick the lip thing.
Yeah. Well, I got one of those, but I don't know if that was a choice or what.
Okay. This is the Glow on Fit skincare headband. Do you want to read about it?
Elevate your skincare routine with this oh-so-cute accessory, which keeps the hair out of your face at all times. It's a win-win situation. Tip, this headband can also double as a scrunchie.
Oh, I knew that scrunchie.
I guess technically.
Full size, which this is $12. Oh, the theme for this month is Hotel Paradise. It says, warm breezes, lush landscapes, major glow. This month, check into a vacay state of mind. Hello, massages and matching mani-pedis. Unwind and go ahead. Order a room service.
All right. Let me give you a massage right now.
Thanks. Okay, so
I'll bring you room service later.
Okay, so the first thing is we got the same, so that's 1 point for each of us. So we both got another product the same. It is from Lovecraft Beauty. It is the Glare, is that right? Glare Gloss in Romantic.
That's right.
So we both got this the same.
You'll want to wear this golden peach lip gloss every single day. It's not too shiny, not too shimmery, not the least bit sticky. Use it alone or over your favorite neutral lipstick for a perfectly glowy lip look, and prepare for it to become a staple in your makeup kit. Tip, swipe onto bare lips or apply over your favorite lipsticks. Full size, MSRP, $16.
Oh, this looks like a full size item.
Yeah, that's what it, yeah.
It's got a sort of pinky look to it.
Lovecraft Beauty.
Pinky peachy.
In the color Cthulhu.
So yeah, that's another point for both of us.
Let's see what we got here.
Okay. Okay.
That's bad. Feels nice.
Okay. Okay, I did not get a single skincare item this month, so I like my bag. Okay, let's keep going with makeup. What other makeup items did you get?
Well, this is a Super Serum Silk Foundation by Yensa. In the color, I don't know. What color?
Does it match your skin
I
color?
don't know. Probably not. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. It's because it's probably not going to be. Even if it's one I use, it's like, well, I don't want to have to go buy a whole one. Maybe you put it in a.
I can't put this into a giveaway because
You don't know what color.
I don't know what color
Okay.
somebody's skin type
Well,
is.
just try it out. Just swatch it and let's see.
This might match you.
Yeah, maybe. I guess I'll give it a try at some point.
I got a full-size one of this, and it did not match me at all. Well, I mixed it with a lighter color, and it matches. It is a better match than this.
Yeah. So what's the next one you got?
Okay, I got a Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter in Moon Dust.
Moon Dust. I like that.
It's okay.
I just like the name.
I'm not going to swatch it. I don't think I'm going to keep it. I've got so many highlighters.
Yeah.
But that is what it looks like there. I don't know.
It's kind of a neutrally one.
It kind of is.
Yeah.
Do you want it?
I've got a bunch already too.
Yeah. I don't know.
I think yours is better. Yours is more
So
interesting.
that's the packaging.
And it's shiny.
Okay, I'll take the point. Okay, next thing. I got the Jasmine Beauty Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara.
Fancy.
What did you get?
I got the Tula Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer.
Oh, so it's a primer.
Yeah.
So that's still technically makeup.
Look, this is weird. It's because it's like it's got a pump, but it's on the bottom of a squeeze bottle.
Yeah.
That's weird. That's weird, and I don't like it.
Okay. I think mascara wins, honestly, over primer.
Yeah. Especially weird primer in a weird little bottle with a weird pump on it.
I'm still taking packaging off this. So, again, I like getting mascaras, but I'm not going to open it up because I've got so many mascaras right now. And for the fifth item, what did you get?
Number 5. I believe that would be the Patchholic Aqua Plus Moisturizing and Soothing Masks.
Which, of course, I get.
Bring the spa vibes home with these Korean beauty masks. One for moisturizing and the other for soothing. This mask duo is everything you need to help revitalize your skin. Tip: after removing the mask, press any remaining product. Oh, yeah. You see, you were just waiting for it to just fall off your face, right? $3.80 each, MSRP.
One has like a watermelon theme and one looks like a cactus thing.
Hopefully not like prickly cactus.
Okay, and I got a perfume.
Ooh.
It's Juliet Has a Gun, and that's the brand, and it is in the scent Lily Fantasy. I just put on a scent before we started this.
Here. It's very alcohol-y, additionally.
It is. We'd have to see how the dry down goes
Yeah,
for that.
I don't know.
I'm smelling it for here, and I really like it.
Well,
Do you want to smell it?
it smells better that way.
Yeah.
Doesn't smell good on you, just only smells good in the thing. Maybe he doesn't
I
like,
wouldn't buy a full bottle of
maybe he
it.
doesn't like my body chemistry.
Let us know if you got this in your Ipsy bag. It's not florally.
No.
Not really. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah.
I'm not that great at scent.
Whatever it's turned into on my arm, I'm not a fan of it.
Huh. Okay. All right. So in my bag, I got the Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter in Moon Dust. I got the Lovecraft Beauty Glare Gloss in Romantic. I got the Juliet Has Again in Lily Fantasy. I got the Jasmine Beauty Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. And I got the Glow On Fizz Skincare Headband. What did you get?
I got the same headband that you got, and the same glare. So it's a glare gloss. I'm supposed to put it on in the light. And then I got the masks that I gave you, and then the little serum foundation one and the little primer one.
Okay, technically, according to us, I won.
Oh, you definitely won.
But what do you think? Leave us your opinions down below in the comment section.
I got a lovely headband.
And tell us what you got in your Ipsy bag, if you got an Ipsy bag this month. So, that was fun.
That was fun.
Okay. Alright, you guys. We hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Check out my socials down in the description box. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok.
I'm not on any of those.
And if you're not having a wonderful, fantastic day today, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good
What
vibes.
did you do at first?
That's
not vibes. I don't know what that is.
Sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.